came from me trying to get some lint out. So guys, you got to really be careful trying to get lint out. So about from right here to right here, it feels really thin. I don't know if you can see, but you see how it's kind of limp right there. We're about to fix that. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to have you a crochet hook, latch hook. And you also can have this if you want. You don't really necessarily have to have one of these type of hooks, but I like to have it just in case. Okay, so I am going to another thing you'll be needing is some kinky type Afro kinky bulk hair. Try to get it as close to your hair color as you can. And what I like to do is just kind of take a little bit off first. Don't use a lot because you don't want this big old indentation and then all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying, then your lock starts. So I just kind of mess with it a little bit. Okay, then I find where my lock is breaking at, which it's not breaking, but like I told you, I messed with it. I had some lint in it and I just kept picking with it. So be careful with that. I like to see where it starts. So you see it start about right there. I like to go to the top where it's nice and strong. And then you stick the crochet hook in. And then you close the hair. Pull it. Okay, pull half. And I like to kind of have like half a leg, if you can see how that look. Yeah, let me get it a little lighter. See, just kind of like half a leg. So now what I do, guys, is I go ahead and I braid it, but I do it really lightly, so you can't even tell that it's a braid. And you just keep going. Braid lightly, just braid lightly. And I'm telling you, I've tried so many different ways to fix a broken lock, and I find this way is the best, like for real. And some about braids make things stay longer. And you just keep braiding it until you can't braid anymore. And if it still feels soft, then you go in and you add more hair. And then what I do is after I get finished, I go up this way. And I take my crochet hook and I stick it in and I grab that little piece and I just keep crocheting it up. Just so you don't gotta worry about it coming off again. Put your crochet hook in. That's my puppy, y'all. She said she want me to hurry up. Okay, so you see how that look good already? If I want to, I can go ahead and add some more hair, but it feels strong already by just doing that. See, that's a quick and easy way. You don't have to use your crochet hook unless you want to. You can actually add a little bit more hair and then go in and just kind of, you know, do what you do. But to me, this works perfect. Maybe I just go in and do just a little bit of maintenance with it. And like I said, I am actually going to go ahead and add a little bit more. And you just go in the way you feel, like you can be able to just feel it. We'll add just a little more. And when I add more, I'm going to actually go in another way. Remember, like I told you guys, only add a little bit. Don't get crazy with it because we don't want an indentation. You should not be able to tell that you added any weave or anything like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start where we started. And if you want to, I like to always maybe go in on a different angle. Stick it inside that hole. Grab your hair. I like to grab it halfway, half and half, have it uneven, okay? And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and just braid lightly, braid lightly, braid lightly, until you go past the area that's your demarcation, where it's soft at, just go past it, just a little bit, okay? So we got some extra hair, keep braiding, keep braiding. I like to leave just a little bit of loop. And then what I like to do is I like to go up now, take it going up, and don't do it tight. Everything is loose. And I'm going to stick my crochet hook inside of this area and grab that tail. Just keep going up. And I'm telling you, this is the best way to fix a lock that needs to be repaired. And if you don't have any kinky hair, I used to actually keep my own hair too. So that'll work too. See, you see how nice and thick that is now? Quick and easy. I don't gotta even worry about this coming out, okay? And again, like I said, you don't even need the crochet hook, but if you want to, just to make it more even and cylindrical, you can just go in and use your little crochet hook too. And just pull those little extra hairs in. Like I said, you don't have to have that, but if you want to, you can just pull them extra hairs in. Again, take your hand, palm roll it, and there we go. Your lock is fixed. Okay, hopefully guys, I know that helped you. Don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and I will talk with you later. Again, this is AKiYA signing out. Bye guys.